It's right. I hope you've been taking care of your teeth.
May wagang dentista ni Aling Milani Arcaulina.
It's time to go to the dentist.
Kasi magpabunot ng ngipin, pag-ready dito sa
Yeah, we're going to the
Milagro sa
dentist.
Townhomes, Cavite. Walang bayad po
Going
yan.
to the dentist.
Kaya ng sinaunang dentist.
Going to the dentist. Who's gonna look at my teeth? I hope I got them clean enough and got no cavities. Cause eating too much sugar can give your teeth holes. That's why you gotta floss them and brush them like the gold. Going to the dentist, no reason to be scared. He opens up my mouth and he looks right in there. And he stuck a tiny tube just to sucker on my
Hindi ka
spit.
magbabayad
I
kayo.
can't quit the dentist cause he's too legit. And I'm going to the dentist. Hey, it's time to go to the dentist. Okay, yeah.
Parang hindi pumasok. Green naman kasi napili nitong batang to. Hindi ko nakakita.
Boss Lila, elepato giligado.
Tagas na magpabunot, ngalay na yung binabunutan. Tagas na magpabunot dyan, oh, ngalay na. Ina.
Ano ba yun? Ba't ko naman
Hindi mo
lalakasan?
sakit yan.
Oo, nabitawan ko tuloy. Kanta muna. Ay, ba't ka naman nalingon pa kay Dylan? Tinatali ko lang eh. Nasaan na?
Bungi.
Luwa. Oh.
Trisdale, tawa. Ito.
Sigurado ka malakas ang uga nito. Ayun ka.
Is that the size? I see your eye. Electronic. Electronic. Pico kami lobo papatelo.
Alin?
Ayan. Electronic. Stop moving, bro!
Ay, bastos. Ito kasi nalikot. Tumingin ka kay Teresa.
What the heck?
Nahuli mo? Nabidyoan mo? Sigurado ka?
Apa.
Hindi na maintindihan sinasabi.
Ano,
Yay!
sakit? Hindi. Very good.